Vague statutes violate the constitutional right to due process. But what makes a statute vague? The Supreme Court addressed that question in Grayned v. City of Rockford. During school hours, a crowd staged a protest on a sidewalk in front of a school in Rockford, Illinois, to advocate for equal rights of black students. Police then arrested 40 protesters, including Richard Grayned, who persisted after receiving a warning. Rockford tried them for violating a city ordinance that made it a crime for anyone while adjacent to a school in session to, quote, willfully make any noise or diversion which disturbs or tends to disturb the peace or good order of such school session or class, unquote. At Grayned's trial, prosecution witnesses testified that the protesters were yelling, making loud noises, and antagonizing police. They also claimed that hundreds of students in the school left their desks to watch the protest from the windows, and some left to join the march. However, defense witnesses testified that the protesters were quiet and orderly, and it was the police who made disruptive noises over their loudspeakers. They also claimed that only a few students watched from the school windows. The defense also argued that the ordinance was unconstitutionally vague and overbroad on its face. The jury convicted and fined Grayned, and the Illinois Supreme Court affirmed. Grayned then appealed to the United States Supreme Court.